Kelly, what did you think of the performance?
Yeah, that is how you sing that song. That was amazing, it really was. You've got such amazing control on both your lower and your higher register, but they're totally opposite with the contrast. It was like you had this really, you knew to thicken your voice when you went down in your lower register, and you knew how to make it vulnerable when you went up high. You had just the right amount of light and shade, and I love the fact that you built that song in strength and you built in dynamics. You really, really told the story, which I think is really important when you're doing a theatre song, and your diction was absolutely fantastic. I could understand every single thing that you were saying. I just thought overall that was an absolutely amazing performance. Well done.
Chloe?
I'm so happy you sang that song, Limas. I love Limas. Yeah, the control in your voice is amazing, and the way that you built it throughout the song. So you know it was nice and slow and gentle at the start, and then you built it in the middle and managed to bring it right back down again at the end, which is just amazing quality to have. You can tell that you're a little bit nervous, and I think you've got so much more that you can give once you just gain a little bit more of that confidence. But yeah, that was amazing. Well done.
Ryan, yeah, you should be really proud of yourself. You've got a beautiful voice there, lots of control, lots of power. Obviously, I'm guessing you have training. Do you train? That's it. I want you to just take on one thing, because this is really important, I've seen it happen before. I want you to be very careful that you don't over-perfect things, right? Because at the moment, everything there was so detailed and fine, and it's very structured like this, that sometimes it loses just a little bit of your abilities. And I want you to relax with that a bit. So keep doing what you're doing, keep performing how you perform and the songs you're choosing. You definitely got all of that right, you've got the voice there to do it, but just relax on the diction a little bit and things like that. But other than that, you're definitely theatre now. I can tell straight away, and you do it really, really well. So I'm looking forward to what you can do from that. Brilliant first audition. Well done.